In this video, we will show you how to use CTRL F on the keyboard to open the file function window in Machine Expert software. As you can see, when you press CTRL F of the keyboard, the file window is open. But a lot of time, if you press CTRL F and nothing is open, you want to go to customize keyboard, then find and replace, and make sure that CTRL F is showing a shortcut for select command. If it's removed, you can just reset it back and it will reappear under shortcut for select command. So to do a quick test, we can just remove it, press OK, and if we press CTRL F, nothing happened. So we go back to customize again, keyboard, find replace, and reset it. Now you can see CTRL F is showing shortcut for select command. And if we press CTRL F, the file window is pop up again. And that is how you reset the file window so that you can use CTRL F of the keyboard to open that file window. Thank you for watching.